How to contact YouTube Creator Support Team live chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on your profile on the top right corner of your screen in the YouTube. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down and click on Help. After you've clicked on Help, simply scroll down. You'll find different options. After that, click on Contact Us at the bottom. Then you can type in anything you want and press on Next, and then click on Chat in here. As you can see, there is 1 minute wait. Then add your channel's URL. After you have added it, scroll down and at the bottom you'll find Start Chat. Click on Start Chat and you will be able to connect with YouTube Creator Support Team live chat. And this is how to contact YouTube Creator Support Team live chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.